Welcome for Foxy's Adventures.
Woohoo!
Hey.
Welcome, guys.
Right, so what we're doing today, Scarlett? Soap.
We are making our homemade soap. So do you remember, guys, when we got this, the soap and bath bomb making set?
Oh yeah, for Christmas.
Yeah. So today we're making the soap version. We'll do the bath bombs another day, won't we?
Yeah.
And I got a yo-yo. I got a yo-yo for Santa.
Yeah,
you did,
didn't you?
Cool, that on it.
So, Scarlett, what do we need to do first?
That.
Go on then.
Go and put it in.
Put half of the bag in.
Whoa, look at that sugar.
Right, shall we check?
Soap, not sugar.
Shall we check what we've got left?
Don't put that in my cup of tea. Think that's about half?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right,
Should we say
okay
that's
then.
half, or should we just give it a little bit more of a
A
sprinkle?
little bit more.
A little bit more.
Looks like snow, guys. Look.
Sprinkly snow.
So now,
Do you want to build a snowman?
so it's just, I think, soap flakes. Can you see?
Yeah.
So at the minute it's white, but we're going to hopefully make it pink.
Pink. Right, what's
Right.
next then?
Can you remember what we have to do next?
And
Is this soap?
Look, it's got to do this.
Is this soap? Or is it flakes?
Flakes.
Is it liquid?
flake.
Is it liquid or is it hard, guys? What do you think?
It's hard, isn't it? So, do we have to melt it? Do you reckon? Should we put it in a microwave? Right,
melt
let's
it.
put it in a microwave.
So we have to do it very, very slowly so it doesn't burn it.
What we need it. Wow.
So it's now melted.
Oh, look at that.
So we have to be super duper quick so it doesn't start hardening,
Right,
because
so-
as you can see it's already started.
Right, Scarlett.
So we need to put how many drops of this in, can you remember?
5.
5. So you have to give it a squeeze to
Squeeze
get
at
it
the top.
out, yeah? Right, ready?
Whoa.
So then put it over and count. Ready? 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
5. Oh, a bit more than 5, never mind.
That's all.
Right, and then you're going to give it a big stir now.
Yep, stir it.
I'm stirring.
Make sure you don't
Stir
drop
it.
it in. Yeah?
Lid up. Stirring. Big stir.
Let me give it a bit of a scrape at the bottom, hang on. Because your soap thing is cold.
Oh, yeah.
It's not... There you go, right, carry on stirring quick. And make sure you don't splash it, because look, as soon as it splashes, it's a goner. Oh, it smells nice.
It does smell nice, doesn't it?
Right, should we put
Smell it.
should we put a tiny drop of this? See if we can make it...
See if we can make it pink.
Right, give that a stir quick.
But we're going to need a bit more than that.
Oh, it's starting to harden, isn't it?
That's quick.
More. We need more.
Right, you ready to pour it in?
Yeah.
Let's not have it pink, because look, it's starting to harden already.
Yeah. Right, let's put it.
Let
Put
me
them
go
in the
quickly
roll quickly.
microwave for 5 seconds.
Can you count to 5?
1,
Oh, there's 5 seconds.
2. Let's go.
Ah.
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Woo!
Right, let's see what it's like now. Hopefully
Right,
it's
it's melted
better.
again.
Right.
So we have to be really quick now whilst we pour it in, okay?
Can you see it all over the sides already?
Scrape it in so we don't waste any.
Put it in.
You ready?
Put it in.
Mummy will help you do
Right,
this.
put it in.
Do you think we should start with the butterfly in case we run out of mould?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it, guys?
Which one next? Quick.
Quick, which one?
That one. These are cool.
Oh.
That
Seashell.
one. That
And then,
one.
what's that, a mushroom?
Yeah.
Right,
That was
okay.
just the perfect amount.
So we've got a butterfly, we've got a mushroom, we've got a seashell,
I got
and
sunshine.
oh, a sunshine.
Sunshine.
Wow.
Should we give it a bit of a gentle
Tap,
tap,
tap, tap,
just
tap.
to get the bubbles out? Right, let's not mess with it now because look, it's time to spill.
Yeah.
Oh
Right.
no. Right, so now we have to leave it for a couple of hours to harden, otherwise we can't
5
use it.
minutes.
So once it's done, we'll come back and we'll show you what they look like when they're done. See you later.
Also, guys, like and subscribe our channel and all our videos, and you'll see loads more fun videos and activities we've done.
And see the obstacle one.
The what one?
Which one?
Obstacle, yeah.
Obstacle, oh yeah, that was favourite.
Tag that in for you so you can see that one. It's super fun, isn't it? And
we need a smallest one. We have to do the smallest one.
I want one.
The one we used to do the smallest one.
Don't know what she means.
No, I don't know what she means either.
But if you have any suggestions as to what you would like us to do next, leave us a comment in the comments section or send us an inbox message and we will do our best to do a video based on what you guys want to see.
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know. But yeah, we'll see you in a few hours. Look, it's starting to go white already. See?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think she means the science one. Is that what you meant?
Ah, the science
The science one. So we will do the science one. Should we do that tomorrow? And then it gives people time to let us know which
What they want to see next.
what they want to see next.
So yeah,
That's
this
the
is our
science
next
one, yeah.
video, guys.
Next video, you
Loads
have
of fun
to see
things
the
to do.
science one.
We've got exploding balloons, exploding volcanoes. So yeah, that sounds pretty cool, doesn't it?
A man.
And a man with glasses.
The funny man.
Funny man. So yeah.
Tell them, Scarlett, say see you in a few hours.
See you in a few hours.
Bye.
Hi guys. So we put them in the fridge so that they would do it a little bit quicker. So we're just going to check. Scarlett, Daddy, come here.
What is it?
The soap. Look, guys. They're ready.
Let's have a look.
Look.
Oh wow.
Yay. Should we put them on the table and then see if we can turn them out? So let's release them a little bit. Right, I've got an idea, Scarlett. What are you doing? I think you should turn them over to the face down flip and then tap, 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 tap.
Should we push them out? Right,
Oh, two are out.
Two are out.
Oh my god, look how cute they are.
I think we
That
can eat them.
is the mushroom. Show them the shell, Scarlett. That is the shell. So cute. Oh no,
no, a
Daddy
little bit's
broke
fell
it. Stop, Scarlett.
Still works though.
It's still soap.
Sun. Sun.
Good.
Hold that.
I'll
Hold
hold the
vlog, Daddy.
I'll hold the vlog.
Right, there's a mushroom.
Oh my god.
Mushroom.
No, it's not a mushroom.
What is it?
Oh no.
It's mushroom.
And then a butterfly.
Butterfly.
So cute.
Scarlet. You silly Billy.
Hey, do you know what it means? It just means we've got more soap.
More soap. Put it together.
Wow.
Right, so we've got our finished
A butterfly.
butterfly, sun,
Sunshine.
seashell. I think that one's a
I think we can eat them.
Hey, you can't eat that.
You don't want to eat that.
Let's show us. Let's have a look.
Mushroom.
And then the mushroom. I think my favourite is the seashell.
I really like the mushroom because it's so cute.
I like
What's
the
that?
butterfly.
The butterfly.
Well, we can fix it, can't we? Because remember how we fixed the chocolate the other day? We can just melt this bit here and melt this bit here and then stick
it back together.
No.
Right, let us know what you what's your favourite, guys.
Ah.
Do you like
Say
the
see you later.
sunshine?
See
Do
you
you like
later.
the seashell?
Join us soon for the science video.
Oh, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Here is my favourite.
The butterfly.
Wi-Fi. Knowing.
Say
Bye.
bye. Flutter